Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Digitally Grow. In this video, I gonna show you the best affiliate programs for your niche. So let's get started. So before we start, here you can see the best affiliate programs. But the question is, which one is best for your niche? So this is the ClickBank products. Here you can see most of the popular products are health related like belly fat, tonic, diet, cooking products. So if you are niche in this health related or cooking related, then you can easily promote this product and get huge amount of commission. But in other categories, products are not popular and not give you good commission. Let's check this. So here we can see business and investing category. This product gravity is 20 and the commission is $27.64. When you choose any products on ClickBank, the gravity should be more than 50. And the next product, the gravity is 14 but the commission is huge. Because of this gravity is only 14, that means it's not sell enough and not popular. Let's check another category. Here you can see the product give you less commission and the gravity is also less. So when you want the most popular products on ClickBank, just click on search, nothing right here, and you get all the most popular products on ClickBank. And here you can see the most popular products always be health related products. Now go for the next program, Digistore 24. Here you can see most of the popular products are health related or some courses. And here also cryptocurrency related products are most popular. Here you can see this product give you 85% commission, almost $127. So you can see Digistore 24 give you huge amount of commissions. It's $202, almost 203. Go for the next page. You can see these products are health related products and some courses. Let's check earning and sell product. Here you can see the first is the course and second is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is give you huge amount of commission, $420. It's huge. Also you can check this is the automation program, also give you $210. And the next is cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is one of the hottest topic. So you can easily sell cryptocurrency related products through Digistore 24. In other affiliate programs has less cryptocurrency products. So if you want to promote cryptocurrency related products, then you definitely sign in on Digistore 24. We see two most popular affiliate programs, ClickBank and Digistore 24. These programs give you huge amount of commission, and if you don't have any website, then don't worry. These two affiliate programs easily accept application and you can promote their products through YouTube and any other social media network. Also you can use Pinterest to promote any product. If you want to know how to promote affiliate products through Pinterest, I give the link in description and I button, you can check this. Now go for the next program is Zevizu. If your niche is software and tools related, then you definitely join Zevizu. Here you get lots of tools and software to promote. Here you can see, here is only software and tools and it's giving huge amount of commission. Now we go for the most popular and premium category affiliate programs, CJ Affiliate, CRSL and Impact Radius. This is CJ Affiliate program. If you want all types of category products, then Commission Junction is best. If you are niche in this category, books, softwares, apps, art, photo, education, entertainment, games, toys, gifts, flowers, sports, fitness, travel, beauty, computer electronics, then CJ Affiliate best for you. In CJ Affiliate, almost all the products are branded and popular company products. So you can easily sell these products and earn money. Now go for the next program is CRA It's same as CJ Affiliate. Here you get all types of category products. But the problem is it's little bit difficult to join. If your website design is not good and less blogs, then they reject your application because they review your website and all the details. So be careful before you applying a CRSL affiliate program. You should design your website properly and write some quality content. Now go for the next program is Impact Radius. It's a best program for mobile apps, gaming, computer, dating, baby products and lots more. Here you get branded company products like Levi's, Razer Gaming, OnePlus, mobile apps, Dell, Lenovo, HP, antivirus, Logitech and lots more affiliate products. Here you can see computer electronics. There are lots of known brands. This is a mobile app. Dell, HP, Lenovo, antivirus, McAfee, OnePlus, smartphone brand. So here you get lots of computer electronics and gaming related products. So these are the best affiliate program where you can join and earn money. Before I end this video, I give you one trick. You can use this and get instant approval on CRSL program. So my niche is digital marketing. So here I choose OptinMonster. And then write affiliate. This is OptinMonster affiliate program. Click this. Scroll down. Here you get affiliate program on CRSL. Join our affiliate program. Click on this. Fill this form and you get approval on OptinMonster and also on CRSL account. Be careful, your selected products should be match your niche. If this video helped you, then like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.